Magandang hapon po. Mga kaibigan, mga awitin po na bahagi na po ng ating buhay at mga pag-uusap at mga kwentong makabuluhan. Ito po ang laman ng Love Life.
Tama po yan. At ilan sa mga kanta sa album na yan ang maririnig nyo mula sa amin ngayon.
At talaga namang napakagaganda nga po ng album po ninyo, Tito Boy. At syempre, excited po kaming lahat para dyan.
Talaga? Maraming salamat. Eric, di ba kadalasan, umaawit kayo ng mga kanta na gusto namin ng audience? But if there were a song na kakantahin mo kahit hindi gusto ng audience, ano yun at bakit?
Siguro, Tito Boy, The Last Time by Eric Benet.
Wow, bakit naman?
Kasi hindi siya pamilyar, pero ito yung awitin, ito yung awit na aawitin ko sa babaeng aking iyahatid sa altar. Who will be my true and last love.
Mga kaibigan, singing his single. Bahagi po ng album na ito, please welcome Little Big Star Season 1 Grand Champion, Rap Salazar, and the Prince of Pop, Eric Santos.
Thank you. I can cover up my feelings in the name of love, or play it safe for a while. That was easy. And if living for myself is what I'm guilty of, go on and sentence me, I'll still be free. It's my turn to see what I can see. I hope you'll understand. This time's just for me because it's my turn. With no apologies, I've given the truth to those I've tried to please, but now it's my turn. If I don't have all the answers, at least I know I'll take my share of chances.
Ain't no use in holding on when nothing's changed.
So I let it rain, 'cause the rain gonna hurt me. And I let you go, though I know it won't be easy. It's my turn.
Maraming salamat, Rap, Eric. Christian, tanong. Pagdating sa pagkasawi, anong nais mong sabihin sa amin? Anong nais mong ituro sa akin?
Siguro alalahanin mo lang po yung mga lessons of the past at talagang the next time you fall in love, whether it's with her again,
Whether it's with?
whether it's with her,
Okay.
with her or with her again,
Ano ang tatandaan ko?
kailangan learn how to love now and forever.
Wow! Maraming salamat, Christian. Hindi ko kakalimutan yan. Mga kaibigan, kasama po ang teen heartthrob, Sam Concepcion. Please welcome Asia's pop idol, Christian Bautista.
Whenever I'm weary from the battles that rage in my head, you make sense of madness when my sanity hangs by your